Good evening. So this is what I've come up with. Trial and error and a little bit of messing around. So let me just put it down. So this is the Raspberry Pi 5 with the Fusion board. I've took that off the top now just to because I haven't decided where I'm going to put it yet, whether just leave it on top. Depends on how much excuse me, depends on how much interaction we have with the GPIO pins and everything. That's the board with the LED. So if I run this program, and it might not be the greatest program, but let's have a look.
LED light is now on.
Okay. Okay. Light off.
The LED light is now off.
Light on.
The LED light is now on.
Light off.
The LED light is now off.
Stop.
The program has now ended command line.
And on that we get in a minute when it wants to go up, you can see that. So you've just got to be a little bit careful on what you say when you're around it, because it does want to retype what you're saying, and as long as what you say there's an on or an off or a stop in that sentence, it'll do the business. So let me run it one more time. LED light on.
LED light is now on.
LED light off.
The LED light is now off.
Stop.
The program has now ended command line.
Okay. So this is what. No, let me put my camera back up. Should probably use my phone for this. So that's the start, and I've got a simple while loop, a while and if statements. Now whether that's right or wrong is another matter, but that's what I've got, and that's what seems to work. So last time, I'll run it, and we'll look at the bottom on this one. So if I just talk, hello, my name is Ray. LED light on.
The LED light is now on.
LED light off.
LED light is now off.
And you'll notice on that it said
LED light is now on.
It said something like there. It says something like, I've got to stop. I'm going to shut up.
The LED light is now on. The program has now ended command line.
So I'm not too sure, but it does work. I'm going to run it one more time just to get everything off. LED light on. LED light on.
LED light is now on.
LED light off.
The LED light is now off.
Stop.
The program has now ended. Command line.